Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about program statements, part of programming in C course. Program statements are the instructions that are executed by the computer when a program runs. They perform various operations such as data manipulation, input-output, and control flow. In the C programming language, program statements are composed of keywords, operators, and variables. Keywords. C has a set of predefined keywords such as int, float, while, for, etc. that have specific meanings and cannot be used as variable names. Operators. C has a set of operators that perform various operations such as mathematical calculations, assignment, and comparison. Variables. Variables are used to store data in a program. They have a name and a value, and the value can be changed during the execution of the program. Here is an example of a C program with some program statements. In this example, the program statements perform various operations such as variable declaration and initialization, mathematical calculations, input-output, and control flow. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.